MindReach. From thoughts to actions.
Hi, my name is Nuno. I'm a co-founder of MindReach, and I'm here today to tell you about a disease that has a huge impact in society. So you might have heard of ADHD, which stands for Attention Deficit and Hyperactivity Disorder. This is a disease that has been increasingly diagnosed in the past decades and reaching all over the world and all kinds of ages. Just to give you an example, 6.2% of children are estimated to have to deal with this disease worldwide every day, as well as 3.4% of the total adult population. ADHD has a huge impact in the day-to-day lives of the patients. It affects their relationships, and it usually damages their performance at home, in schools, and at work. Not only that, but it can have a substantial financial damaging in the life of patients, their family, and the healthcare system, and also a total societal cost per year of $42.5 billion is estimated only for this disease. So ADHD is indeed a serious disease that has a huge societal impact. And right now, there are three possible current treatments. So the first is behavioral therapy. In this kind of treatment, patients seek out for therapies that help them deal and reduce the symptoms of this disease on a day-to-day basis. So behavioral therapy is many times complemented by drugs and pharmacology. And of course, as we all know, drugs can be cheap and effective, but many times they bring many undesirable side effects. Lastly, there is neurofeedback therapy. So this has been emerging as a treatment that gives an alternative to the other two solutions, but that when you go to a clinic, clinicians give you an EEG cap that can monitor your brain activity, and they give you exercises that allow you to train, to focus, to concentrate, and so directly targeting the symptoms of this disease. So this sets aside the side effects of the drugs, and at the same time is bringing you a quantitative analysis of what is going on inside your brain. However, right now, the treatments in neurofeedback have two major problems. The first one is that it can be quite costly, and the second one is that it's non-convenient because you have to go to the clinic for many sessions to fulfill a complete treatment. And so today, we are presenting our technology that goes beyond the traditional and passive neurofeedback approach. We're introducing this operant learning paradigm where we have an EEG headset that records your brain signals. It signal processes them into a control signal that we can then send to a device that can be either an actuator or a game, which then, by the feedback, the visual or auditory feedback, the user can understand what is going on in their brain and can learn by itself to modulate this activity. So it can do this so that it can get to a healthier and better state of mind. We do this through a signal processing algorithm that we have patented, and that has showed that people can, or users can indeed increase their performance, modulate their activity with training in a more efficient and in a reduced time as compared to current solutions. Not only that, but this also presents a long-lasting effect. So we have featured in the media, national and international-wise, from BBC to Forbes. And today, we are happy to present you our high-performance headset that is incorporated with a game that allows you to do focusing exercises and fight ADHD at the comfort of your home or wherever it feels most convenient for you. So our wireless EEG wearable device records your brain waves. It sends them to a fun, immersive gaming platform where you can integrate that with ADHD exercises and complement your neurofeedback therapy. So we're bringing you fun, but we're bringing you fun with a purpose. And users have rated us as a novel, fun, and engaging experience throughout the program that they have undergone. So our business model is to target the patients, the neurofeedback clinics, and the therapists by designing this product that can be used at home to complement and not to replace, but to complement the therapy that is done in the clinics. So you have a portable headset that you can use anytime, anywhere, and that will make the treatment more efficient and shorter. So we are looking here at a market that is estimated to be $12.2 billion US dollars as a global ADHD therapeutic market. If you look at the US only, there are more than 100,000 neurofeedback patients, and the market that has grown to more than 350 million US dollars. So we haven't started our research yesterday, of course, and what we are presenting here is the result of 4 years of research, development of proof of concept. We have submitted a patent to protect our technology. We are in negotiations right now with our institute. We have recently started the development of this ADHD prototype and the software development with the gaming. And by the end of this year, we expect to start the product design. Beginning next year, we are starting our beta testing phase, where we are going to incorporate all the feedback from the users so that we start production and sales by 2018. For all this, we're looking for an investment of 750,000 euros. So we are looking at the price tag to our device of 499 euros. This puts us in between the traditional EEG entertainment device and the more clinical graded medical apparatus. And so with this investment and price tag, we are predicting a market entry in 2018 and a break-even the year after, at 2019, with increasing sales from then on. So this technology can be addressed or can be used in many different markets. I've explained the first market and its value, but we are looking into expanding to a second phase on a brain health and cognitive enhancement market, and further on to expand it even further to a global and controllable brain-machine interface that can be applied to many devices and even games. So Fernando, Vitor, and myself, we were the technologists attending COHiTEC. Rui Costa has been from the beginning our scientific advisor, and we are very grateful to Fernando and Susana for their invaluable contributions during the program. So thank you very much for your attention.